Severe thunderstorm watch.
In the following counties in Missouri: Clay, Jackson, Platte, and Ray.
We're under this one.
Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development
No
of
message.
severe weather, including
The hell?
large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio,
We are in a slight risk
commercial
today.
radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather
That's why I'm
information.
shaking.
Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 625 has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties: in Kansas, Douglas, Johnson, Leavenworth, and Minot, and the following counties
Right now
in
it's shaking.
Missouri, Clay, Jackson, Platte, and Ray.
Surprised you did not go
This
off.
is National Weather Service NOAA Weather Radio, KID 7.
Severe thunderstorm watch. KZZ station.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch
This scared me.
1, effective until 4 a.m. Saturday.
I was looking for some webcams so I could be able to live stream.
In Missouri, Lynn, Livingston, and Macon. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damage in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to
Also,
NOAA Radio, commercial radio, and
KID 77 is off the air, so as you can see, second to last.
Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 631 has been issued
I decided to send
until 4
my
a.m.
Eton
Saturday for the following counties:
to
Missouri, Livingston, and
to
Macon.
channel 3.
This is National Weather Service.
Holy cow.
The National Weather Service in Pleasant Hill has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
Another
northeastern Davis
severe thunderstorm warning.
Southern Grundy County, southeastern Harrison County, northwestern Livingston County until 10:30 p.m. At 9:51 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Gilman City, or 13 miles west of Trenton, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour.
I might
Hazards include both fall signs
set the 262 on KZZ.
This is a radar indicated threat.
And put these two.
Are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured.
Whoa.
Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles.
Yep.
Siding and trees. Locations impacted include Trenton, Jamesport, Gilman City, Laredo, Jameson, and Spring Hill. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. for the following counties in Missouri: Daviess, Grundy, Harrison, and Livingston. The current time is 9:53 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Oh, let's see if it's on.
98.1 KMBZ.
Nah, they don't air it.
Thunderstorm warning for northeastern Daviess County.
Alright, another severe thunderstorm warning.
Homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Winnigan. Take cover now. Move to a basement
Just
or an
Winnigan.
interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 11:30 p.m. for the following counties in Missouri: Adair, Lynn, Macon, and Sullivan. Severe thunderstorm watch number 6. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 a.m. for the following counties in Missouri: Carroll and Bailey.
Okay, just got a severe thunderstorm warning. Severe thunderstorm watch. I'm not going to.
Until 2 Monday. This watch includes the following counties: Missouri. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in close to the watch area. Severe weather means persons should rapidly change weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm warning. Forecast from 7:40 p.m. until 2 p.m. Monday for the following counties: Pettis, Missouri.
It's just Pettis.
This is National Weather. Receivers are automatically activated to warn you of the warning alarm device. During potential
Oh yeah, I forgot. I set
weather
this on
situations,
KC34.
specially built receivers are automatically
Well.
when there is a threat of or existing. The warning alarm will vary from place to place. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning services, the warning alarm will be activated for specific watches and warnings in the Carrollton listening area: Caldwell, Carroll, Sheridan, Cooper, Howard, Lafayette, Lynn, Livingston, Pettis, Wayne, and Fabian. This concludes the test of the new weather radio warning device.
Holy cow.